Okay, finally, hi everybody. I'm so sorry, there was some technical error, and hi. Hi Arun. Hi Bhushan. How are you? Hi Prashant. Hi Mohammed. How are you? I'm good. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry, there was some technical error, and I went on to somebody else's profile, I guess, instead of my own. I'm good. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm absolutely fine. Thank you so much. Hello Rashmi. How are you? Okay, Rahim. Sorry. Hello Rahim. How are you? I'm good, Sadhu. Thank you so much. Hi, Varun. How are you? Looking gorgeous. Thank you so much. Hi, Sumit. Yes, I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. So many likes and hearts I can see. I love you. Okay, I love you too, Kiran. Okay. Hi, Kirpal. How are you? Shivanand. I'm good. Thank you, Shivanand. Hi, Amarjeet. How are you? Say hi to me. Hi, Ravi. A big hi to you. Hi, Banu. How are you? Hey, Parul. That's Sharan who says to me, hey, Parul, we would love to see you more in Telugu movies. Uh, yeah, I think I would want to. I'm waiting to do some Telugu movies. I had done this movie called Killing Virupin, and which had released in Telugu as well, and I had received a lot of love from the Telugu audience and from the critics as well. So yeah, I'm dying to do one Telugu movie. The number of people, okay, say my name. Hi, Gaurav Tandon. क्या बात है पारुल, बहुत दिनों बाद अच्छी लग रही हो आप. थैंक यू सो मच. हाय रहीम. Oh, love me. Okay, I love you too. Tremendous dear love. What is it? Okay, I don't understand that. Thank you so much if you like my smile. I like you. I love you too, Rahim. You have a beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna skip that one. Hi, Rajesh. Nice to see you on. Okay, it's so fast. So many people are commenting. So I'm sorry if I'm missing some few of them. Madhu, like you so much. I love you too, Madhu. Hi, Rachit. Looking cute as usual. Thank you. Hi, Arish. Kannada talk. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Okay, I'm so sorry, I'm missing some. Hi Parul, looking extremely gorgeous and pretty. That's Sanjay, a super stylish beauty queen of Indian and Bollywood stylish superstar personality. What a wonderful beauty, sensational, passionate. Oh my god, so much to read, but thank you Sanjay. I absolutely love whatever you've written for me. Okay, nice pic G. Thank you so much. Hi Sanjeev, cute Parul, he says. Thank you. Okay, so Hemant says you're looking gorgeous. Thank you so much. I like you. Arun, I love you too. Okay, say your name. Okay, Adarsh Reddy. And you're so beautiful, and congrats for the nomination of Killing Virupin. Thank you so much. Thank you on that. Hi Vivek. Beautiful, wonderful, stunning looks of international supermodel. I don't know, so many things. Queen of Bollywood stylist. Thank you so much. Okay, hi Varun. I'm waiting for you to fly. Fly what? Fly Swiss and serve you first class VIP guests on board. Thank you, Varun. I should do that soon, very soon. Hello. Satao, Nitul Yadav. Hi Nitul Subha. Hey beautiful. Oh, yeah. Sunil, I love you so much. I love you too. Super cute, innocently smiling personality. Thank you so much, Sanjay Oak. Okay, hi Azad. I'm so sorry I'm missing on few comments because there are many coming, and I'm very happy to see so many people wanting to chat with me. So sorry if I missed on few of them. Hi Ravi, you're looking so kinda. Love you, Parul. You're looking so kinda. Love you, Parul. Okay, whatever it means, but thank you. Debut in Bollywood. Okay, Sada is asking me my debut in Bollywood. I'm not very sure, but obviously I would love to do someday. You're looking lovely and your eyes is so nice. Thank you so much. Okay, Sandeep says looking cute. Thank you. Wow, looking so cute and beautiful, ma'am. Robbie. Hi, Robbie. Sharan Reddy, want to see you beside Ramcharan Allu Arjun. Okay, I have said this many a times, but let me tell you again that my favorite actors from Telugu is obviously Mahesh Babu, Ramcharan, and Allu Arjun. So yes, I would love to work with them someday. Hi, John. One of the cutest actresses. Really? If you think so, thank you. Love you too, Sandeep. Shivraj film acting super. Actually, talking about Killing Viruppan. So Honey is saying that he'll love my movie Killing Viruppan. So thank you so much. It's one of my favorite movies, and I'm very happy that I am been nominated for it this year. Shake. Okay, I'm so sorry. बहुत जल्दी move हो रहे comments, so I'm not able to respond to each of it. One world, you. Okay, lovely lips. Thank you. We want to see you in Bollywood. Yeah, I'm dying to work in some Bollywood movie, so hopefully soon. Who is your favorite hero in Bollywood? It's Mr. Bachchan, obviously. Anil Kapoor, and I think Farhan Akhtar. Yeah. Yes, my health is fine. Yes, I know it was a bad incident, whatever happened with me, but I'm good now. Thank you for asking. Please act with Upi sir once again. Yeah, I had a lovely time working with him under his direction for Upi 2. So yeah, maybe soon I'm going to do a movie with him. What about your next movie? Well, my next movie is Queen, which I will start shooting sometime in April. Please update your health condition. I'm fine. I'm all good now. Thank you for asking. My favorite actor all time. Well, I answered that, Mr. Bachchan from Bollywood. It's going to be Mahesh Babu from Telugu. From Kannada, it has to be Sudeep. From Tamil, it has to be Ajit sir. Malayalam, I think Mohanlal sir. Hi Sudhir, hi Pushpa, hi Savyali, okay, hi Fahim. I love you very dear, okay. I love you too. Who is your favorite Kannada actor? Well, female, it has to be Radhika Pandit, and male, it is Yash, and it is Sudeep. They both are my favorite actors. Nice hair. Okay, thank you so much. It took me an hour to set this hair. Okay, Kannada, Matadi. Okay, sorry, Nagraj, Nan Matartini, Yen Beku Nimge Heli. Love you so much. I love you too. Can you chat with me? Yes, Dipesh, I can definitely chat with you. Ma'am, you missed my 6 comments. Okay, Shiva, I'm so sorry. There are too many comments coming and I'm just completely confused. So, can you please ask your question again? You have cute and charming look. Thank you so much. Your Bachchan movie is superb. Yeah, it's my favorite too. I love your beauty. Thank you. You're my favorite actress. Thank you so much. How's your pet? He's completely fine. I'll call him in a while. Okay, Sagar, I love you. I love you too, Sagar. Love you, Adarsh. Akhleshwar. He don't call me Parul. You can call me Parul. Hi, Raju. Hi, Hanmante. Hi, Parul. How are you? Okay, I'm good, Hanmante. Good luck. Your dream come true. Okay, my dream is getting one national award. Okay. Your charming personality. Thank you so much. Hi, love Dumal. ಕನ್ನಡ ತಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಿ? ನನಗೆ ಊಟ ಬೇಕು, ತಲೆ ನೋಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. You can ask me questions in Kannada and I'll try my best to answer them in Kannada. Forgive me if there is some pronunciation issue or maybe grammatically if I'm wrong in my Kannada. So forgive me on that. Want to see you with Yash. Yes, Yash is one of my favorite actors. I think in Kannada the most good looking actor is Yash. I love his dance, I love his acting, I love his hairdo. So yes, I'm waiting to work with Yash. You missed my comment. Sandeep, so sorry. As I said, there are too many comments and I'm missing on few, so please forgive me. Not intentionally done. Which TV show are you following these days? I'm not into daily soaps and I don't like watching TV and shows, but I love watching current affair. I love watching informative shows, something like on Discovery or TLC, but I refrain myself from watching all those daily soaps and all. Yeah, I love you too, Sujit. Okay, Varun says, which designers you gonna be wearing this year on red carpet? That's a tough one. Actually, I'm trying for some international designers. Let me see. If you ask me Indian designers, then it would be, I think I've never worn Manish Malhotra, so I would love to wear him. Shane Peacock is one of my favorites. I would love to wear Shane Peacock. I hope I've given your answer, Varun. Okay. Oh God, I'm so sorry. There are so many comments. I'm missing a lot of them. Thanks a lot for chatting with us. Thank you so much for connecting with me, Ravi. Kannada is too long to talk to you. Do you like to act with Salman Khan? Oh, who wouldn't? I'm a big fan of Salman Khan. Yes, I would love to work with him someday. Which is your favorite movie? Okay, I'm so sorry I missed that one. Hello, madam. Please say about your experience in Sandalwood. I've said this a lot of time, but let me say this again. I had debuted in Tamil, I had debuted in Malayalam, but whatever little fame name I have today is because of Sandalwood. So always it's going to be very dear to me, and I feel Kannada people are very warm. I love them a lot, and they have given me my title called Pyar Ge Hudgi. So yes, I am completely in love with Sandalwood. Love you, ma'am. Soon give a movie in Sandalwood. Yeah, sure, soon. Working on it. Adarsh Shetty, that's for you. Okay, Prakash Gaikwad says, I love you. I love you too, Prakash. Queen. Yeah, soon. Queen is going to be soon. What about Puneet sir? Yeah, I am big fan of his dancing, and as you all know that I am known for my dancing in Kannada industry. So someday I would love to dance and I would love to share the frame with him. Yeah. What do you think about Yash Anna? I just said he's the most good looking guy in Kannada industry. Did you lose my 15 comments? Sorry, I think I missed. Is there any director that you wish to get a chance to work with? Mohammed, can you be a little precise about it? Like, you asking about Kannada directors or Bollywood directors? Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, I think it's time for me to go, but it's really tempting, you know, talking to you guys is really tempting. I don't want to go away. You're my dream girl. Okay. Had food? Yes, I too. Bharat Raj says, what are you doing? Well, I'm chatting with you guys. I hope so at least. Are you falling in love with who? Kicha, yes, maybe. I want to see you in Malayalam movies. Okay. I'll consider that. I'll try and act in few Malayalam movies. I can't promise on that, but I'll try my best. I love you. Say something to me. Missing my all comment, please. Hemant, I'm so sorry. It says hi, I am Hemant. So hi, I am Hemant. Because there are too many Hemant, so let me be precise. Thank you so much, madam. Prakash says, okay. Oh, fresh. I miss so many. Do you have any idea working with challenging star Darshan? Adarsh Shetty. Okay, there are obviously top 5 stars of Kannada industry. Puneet, Yash, Darshan, Sudeep. Shivraj Kumar sir. So I think obviously I want to work with all of them, not particularly any one guy, but all of them. Hi Abdul, I like you. Okay, Abdul, I like you too. You're looking beautiful. Thank you so much. Hi Jagdish. Hello. Today I'm so very happy. Prakash says. Okay, I'm happy too. Beautiful and good evening. Good evening, Devraj. You're awesome looking. Thank you so much, Banu. Tell please Ravi, hey. Ravi, hey. Okay. I tell me your condition. Okay, my condition is absolutely fine. As you can see, I'm chatting and I'm so bubbly, full of life, so I'm completely healthy and nice. Tell me about Darshan sir, please. I've not worked with him so far, so I don't have much to say about him, but yes, I would love to work with him someday. You're looking cute. Thank you, Viresh. Okay, it's an overwhelming response. There are so many comments, so I think I need to go offline now because I have some other commitments. But thank you, everyone. It was lovely connecting to you all. Okay, somebody says, are you willing to do Big Boss season for Canada? I'm afraid that Adarsh Shetty, I'm afraid that I can do that because I don't think so I'm a cutout for a reality show like Big Boss. I think you need a lot of courage to face the camera 24/7, and I don't think so at the minute I'm prepared for it. Yeah. Okay, anyway, lovely talking to you, and I shall connect with you guys soon. But thank you so much, and I love all your comments, and thank you for so many likes, and love you. Bye.